Okay, so I took apart this premium. There's the whatchamacallit. Anyway, 67 Camaro. And this is the newer one with the plastic base. 2016. Same car. So this premium one has an opening hood. This basic one does not. That's why it has this different plastic interior. This one has the open thing for the hood. So, okay, so what I'm doing is I'll show you. Let's see. Put that there. Put that there. That there. Keep the smoky window. Give that the clear window. Put this base here. Oh man. Yes. I'm making a freaking premium out of this freaking Camaro. I am so happy about that. Oh my god. Like a glove. Just need to snap that a little bit better. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my god, yes. That's so freaking cool. Yes. Awesome. Well, no reason to waste this. Alright, I'm gonna put the window in here. Okay. Come on. Oh my god. There. Oh yeah, I need to drill that out better. Okay, so the new base, see these things up here up front? They're a little too tall. Here, let me show you. That's why this fits fine, because see how there's nothing there? Come on, let's compare this. It's not easy with one hand. Alright, see there's nothing up there? There it is down here, right in front of that wheel. Nothing? Something. Alright. Oh, it's probably easier this way. Nothing's in the way this way. There we go. So I'll just clip those off. No big deal. Okay, so here's the Camaro before, the original, nice and sealed. Focus, please. There we go. Opening hood, all that good stuff. Alright, here's what it looks like after I replaced the base from the new plastic base. I still need to file more. It's not as easy as just switching the bases. So I still need to file some more stuff to get that to look and fit right. But there you go. There's the old base with nice wheels. There's the new base with the whatever. And here is what I wanted it to look like. Yeah. Look at this. That's awesome. So now I have the metal base. Everything fits just right. It's actually easier to put the new basic body on the old metal base. It goes right on because everything's much smaller under there. It gets really kind of difficult to reuse the old base and wheels. There's so much extra plastic because the hood still opens here. The hood does not. So there's a slightly different machinery, but you can see, like, if you just hold it closed with your thumbs, like, it still fits. Well, there you go. So it's all the same molds, just needs a little persuasion. That's it. So yeah, so this is still not ruined. I can even do another wheel swap on that if I feel like it. So we'll see how it goes, but this is what I wanted, and I am super happy with this. That is a cool freaking looking car now. Yeah. Alright. That's it. Simple base wheel swap. The best of both worlds, I guess. Alright. Cool. Thanks for watching.